Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is corn soup. This I call it roasted corn soup. Vouch me, it tastes like the corn which is available on the streets where they roast it on the coal and give us to eat. This is in a liquid form of it. Let's begin the recipe. With little bit of oil and some butter. Now the butter is melted. I'm going to add in the corn. To this, I'm going to add in the green chillies. You can add this according to your spice level, and few mint leaves. Just saute this until the raw smell go. Now the corn has its aroma. I'm going to add in the water. Salt to taste and little bit of pepper. I'll close the lid and cook this. This has been boiling for about 10 minutes. I can switch off this. And allow this to cool for some time to put it into the mixie. Now I'm going to crush this. Now this is smooth enough. Now this is strained well. This is thick and creamy soup. You can have it at this consistency or you can dilute by adding little bit of water. I prefer little lighter. And some more salt. I'll allow this to boil. Now this is boiling well. I'll switch off the flame and add lime. Mix it well and this is ready to serve. And the soup is ready. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.